Is Dr. Zakir Naik a student of the blessed Shaikh Ahmad Deedat? What does a student mean, or what does a student refer to? Previously, during the olden days, at the time of the Prophet, the Sahaba, the Tabi'een, hundreds of years, a few hundred years ago, when science was not that advanced, a student referred to a person who physically studied under a teacher, because there was nothing as online videos and the use of cameras to record videos and online class. All of this was not available previously during the olden days. So a person, if he wanted to be a student, he had to physically study under the teacher. But now, after technology has advanced, a person can study offline and online as well. A person can be a student offline and online as well. A person can study physically under a teacher, or a person can study online as well by doing certain courses, by watching the videos of the instructor of the teacher, by referring to the material of the instructor of the teacher. Even such a person will be considered as a student. Now, as far as my father Dr. Zakir Naik is concerned, he did not physically study under Shaikh Ahmad Deedat for a long duration of time. He just met him a few times. He was inspired by Shaikh Ahmad Deedat, but he did not do any particular course except for a short course that was a 2-hour course related to Dawah. But besides this, he did not attend any course wherein he studied under Shaikh Ahmad Deedat. He was inspired by him. He met him a few times and he learned several things from him. He watched his video cassettes and he learned a lot from Shaikh Ahmad Deedat when he met him, and he asked him for his advice as far as Dawah is concerned. So in this sense, he was a student of Shaikh Ahmad Deedat. But if you are asking as far as him being a student wherein he physically studied under Shaikh Ahmad Deedat for a long duration of time, or he did a particular course, a long course with Shaikh Ahmad Deedat, this was not done by my father. Shaikh Ahmad Deedat was instrumental as far as my father becoming a full-time Da'i is concerned. And one of the incidences that comes to my mind regarding the meeting of my father with Shaikh Ahmad Deedat, from among the various meetings that he had, is that my father asked Shaikh Ahmad Deedat that, "Uncle, why are you so tough when you do Dawah?" So Shaikh Ahmad Deedat, he said that you can fight the devil in 2 ways, with holy water or with fire. I have chosen the fire. And he said, "I am militant, son. I am not harsh." So my father asked him, "Why are you so harsh, uncle, in a nice way? Why are you so tough?" So he said, Shaikh Ahmad Deedat said that, "I am militant." So there are various techniques and strategies of doing Dawah. Sometimes you have to talk in a gentle way. Sometimes you have to be tough with the non-Muslims. So there are various strategies of doing Dawah. And Shaikh Ahmad Deedat, alhamdulillah, he was impressed by the Dawah activities that my father is doing, that he gave him a plaque on which it was written. And this is, alhamdulillah, one of the most valuable awards or the gifts that my father has. And it is written on the plaque, "Son, what you have done in 4 years took me 40 years to accomplish," alhamdulillah, with the thumb impressions of Shaikh Ahmad Deedat. This was given by Shaikh Ahmad Deedat to my father. So a person can be a student of a teacher even if he studies online. We have the Al-Hidayah platform wherein courses of Shaikh Ahmad Deedat are present, are available. So a person, if he does these courses, he is a student of Shaikh Ahmad Deedat. If a person does courses of my father on Al-Hidayah, he is considered as a student of my father. So the terminology of being a student, it is very vast and it can include various aspects. So I hope that answers your question.